So I'm using my TV to record. I don't know if this works or not, if you can see my face. Barely. I probably have to sneeze again. My phone is charging, but what I do for fun is I got a laser pointer, and I can hit myself in the face in any angle I aim at. Like this bottle here is right about... Can't even get to it. Like right in there. Wait. Yeah, right there. Ricochets back at my face. Okay, and so this bottle here is down there. I just do this in fun. Like every bottle has a little angle that I can hit. It'll ricochet back into my face. So I do that, and I think I'm going to unplug my phone, so you're going to hear the beep beep. So, here I go. Nope, no beep beep. Damn, stop recording. Cool. So, I'm home. I'm going to probably be alone for a little while. But, I figured, you know what, I'll do a quick little video. Just of the house. I know I've done this before many times and all this good stuff, but figured why not again. So I made pizza, right? And I was thinking, man, I should have got 2 pieces of pizza, but I didn't. So, so I got 1, and it's huge. It's not over here. Definitely not over here. Definitely not it. Definitely not it either. Oh, not over here. But right here. So they put, it's a spinach and artichoke pizza with bacon bits, I believe it is. I threw in the mushrooms right here. Doing the mushrooms, it's good as heck. I only ate like a little bit of it. I'm gonna put it away. Good as heck. In my toad tank that I said I was gonna show you until you come over is right here. You can't see it. See inside. So you don't know what it really looks like. But I'm actually really full. It's there, why not? So, and the other thing is, let me just spit in my arm. I got this much food in here. And I'm thinking about ordering Chinese or making it. And this is really good. You can get it for like $6-7. Feeds 2 people. Do some rice with it too. Oh man, it'd be awesome as heck. Then what I have in here is milk, jalapenos, milk. Won't use that. Won't eat the potato salad. Did this yesterday. Made a couple tacos. Oh, good as heck. Got cookies, got this, got that, got that. And then all my other random stuff over here. My condiments. So, that's what I'm doing. Oh, and the other thing is, I did this about 5+ years ago. I painted this fan that's red in the middle right there. When it turns on, it makes it look purple. It's really cool. So, this is going to be my pizza for the next couple days. But I got a pamphlet for a Chinese restaurant that delivers. And I'm going to put an order in and get some Chinese food for $5.55 if I wake up in time for it. And so that's pretty much my goal. It's a picture someone drew of me. So, yeah. I figured I'd record real quick. Just for a heck of it. Lately I've been tired as heck. Stressed out. Bored. At work. So I figured I'd take some time off. This is a shout out for the people that work here. Just ignore the bottom part, please. I only got it because it was awesome. So, but I'll be home for like a little while and stuff. So, yeah. And this way, I can just record and do other stuff. I'm not really bored. I just like to record stuff. And where I'm going to be sleeping is right here on the couch. So it's dark in here, but that's where I'm going to sleep. I like my bed, but my bed has no airflow. This fan right here runs almost 24/7, and it's just cool enough just to say, okay, let's go to sleep, but I really don't feel like it, and there's nowhere real airflow coming through there. I open that up, I hear the pond, so it's not the best to sleep in. But when I sleep on the couch, I usually sleep for roughly 6 to 7 hours, get up, use the restroom, go back to bed. That's how it usually is. The best part is, what I don't have to worry about is when I go use the restroom, I don't have to flush, because I'm the type that uses the bathroom every so often, and it's just always annoying. Just flush, 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 flush. It's like, really? So when I'm home alone, I flush whenever I feel like I should. So, gotta put some pizza away. I'm using the bigger one here because, well, I got that much for a pizza. And if I even dare to try to eat all of this, I'd be like a person I used to know back in the day. Won't say his name, but Rise knows him pretty well. And he is probably the biggest person that works there. And yes, he hates me because I pissed him off a lot at work. But it wasn't my intention. It just happened that way. Oh, with pizza, the other thing I was thinking is, you can throw it into the oven and cook it, and it comes out nice and crispy again. And delicious. See, changing my voice just comes natural. I've always been that way. Ta-da, finished. And I leave all this stuff out because you don't know the next time you're going to use it. So I'm going to close this up. Grab the bigger one. Come on. closed. Took me about a minute, but who cares, right? Can I get a amen? Praise the Lord. Not religious. Just like to use it. True story though. My buddy and I, Joe Hopkins, about maybe 7-8 years ago plus. I'm only saying plus because I don't know exactly when. Him and I were standing there, and this figure of the devil of like the pitchfork, the horns, the whole face, pure black, comes floating past us from where I am to where that clock is over there, the wall right back there. Here, I'll show you even better. Hold on. Gotta grab my laser pointer. Ooh, la, la, la. Come here, boy. Alright, so for where I am to where that laser pointer is right there, that clock. Black. Pitch black. Could see the whole face, the body, everything float right past us, right? We both look at each other, we're like, dang, I wish cell phones were invented. We didn't say this, but we were thinking about something like that. Just to record it. Oh, man. It was the coolest thing I've seen for a lot of years. I'm not religious, but that just showed me proof. And I had a buddy with me, so I was like, wow. And so I'm just like, okay, whatever, that's fine. But God, He hasn't shown Himself. I've gone through many things in my life. Good, bad, horrible. And He has not said once, I shall make it easy on your life. I shall give you the power to be who you want to be. He's thrown more curveballs at me than anyone else in my whole life. And I'm still trying to figure out what the heck is wrong with me. Actually, I don't really care. But, so, like, one curveball is work banning my music, like I said before, so I can't wear any of my clothes, and it makes it really hard for me because I have like tons of hangers of ICP, and that's all I want to wear is ICP. I don't want to wear like any other thing because they said I can't do it. The other thing is I'm stressed out at work, which I can't tell you how or where or when or where, but I'm just like so stressed out. And so I'm taking some time off. I'm taking a little bit more time off than what I should. Not because of some people, just the other people. And I could start naming names and get into crap and blah, 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 blah. But that would just be a waste of time. Once I get out of my program, oh yeah, you're going to hear everything. Every dirty secret I want to reveal to you, I can't right now. And trust me, my dirty secret is going to be so good. I could probably put about $200 onto it easily. You can tell me your worst work experience, and I will tops it by 200% easily. Not 110%, but 200%. I've been through it all working through this program. And my God, I think I actually have like a tumor in my head or something. or something seriously wrong with me because I'm still kicking. Even though I'm like, it's like, I never stuttered before. What the heck? Well, talk to you later. Hope you like my video. Bye bye. Adios and see you later.